Greetings, everyone. I am Nonhlanhla Mdluli, a social worker from Tugela District. Today and yesterday, we're here in Lynn Park High School, Pietermaritzburg, under Umgungundlovu District. We are here to roll out the Banapile Mass Registration Drive, Silver and Gold registration process. So we're focusing on the three districts, which is Utugela, Umgungundlovu, and the Harry Gwala district. So the training went well for the past 2 days, and we thank the support from our director. We thank the support from our CESs and everyone who's made this day a success. So we are hopeful that the colleagues, which are the social workers, will ensure that um, they continue with assisting the ECD centers because our main aim is to ensure that all the ECD centers that are bronze registered, they register in order to maintain a silver or a gold status. We are therefore hopeful that as the province will work together, as districts will support each other in order to ensure that the 800 targeted ECD programs for KZN, we achieve the target and we come up first as it happened on the bronze application. I thank you.